Severe floods in West Germany and Belgium. About 1,300 people are missing, according to the Ahrweiler District Administration.
Hier hat's ein bisschen gehagelt.
Police say chaos reigns in many regions. Most of all, the German lands of Rhineland-Palatinate and North Rhine-Westphalia suffered. Severe destruction in Belgium and the Netherlands. The water level rises in parts of the Netherlands, France and Switzerland. More heavy rains are expected in the region on. The villages are flooded with water, littered with trees. Cars float on the roads, and the streets have turned into seething rivers.
Oh ja, guck mal, Lena.
This is one of the largest floods in the memory of local residents. Many of the victims have climbed onto the roofs of their homes and await rescue. About 3,500 people are accommodated in several medical institutions, according to the website of the district administration.